I've been planking every day for a year now, and the results have been surprising. I got all the usual benefits which were expected, such as weight loss, a stronger core, and increased flexibility. But some of the more unexpected benefits caught me completely off guard. Firstly, 1 year of planks helped me achieve: Number 1. Improved core strength and stability. Planking primarily targets the core muscles, including the rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, and obliques. By holding your body in a rigid position, you engage and strengthen these muscles, which can lead to improved core strength and stability. Stronger core muscles can lead to improvements in posture, balance, and reduced lower back pain. But if core strength wasn't enough for you, planks are perfect for Number 2. Increased endurance. Planking is a static exercise, which means you hold a position for an extended period of time. The longer you can hold a plank, the more endurance you have developed. By consistently challenging yourself to hold a plank for longer and longer periods of time, you can improve your overall endurance and stamina. This can translate to improved performance in other exercises and activities, as well as daily life tasks. Number 3. Mental toughness and discipline. Planking can also have mental health benefits. By challenging yourself to hold a plank for an extended period of time, you develop mental toughness and discipline. These skills can carry over into other areas of your life, such as work or personal relationships, and help you achieve your goals. Number 4. Improved posture. Poor posture is a common problem for many people, especially those who spend a lot of time sitting at a desk or using electronic devices. Planking can help improve posture by strengthening the muscles that support the spine and keeping the body in a straight upright position. This can lead to reduced strain on the neck and back muscles and improved overall spinal health. Number 5. Reduced risk of injury. A strong core is essential for good overall fitness and can help reduce the risk of injury during other exercises or daily activities. By incorporating planks into your fitness routine, you can help prevent injuries to your lower back and other areas of your body. This is especially important for athletes or anyone who engages in physical activities that put a lot of stress on the body. Number 6. Increased flexibility. Planking can also help increase flexibility in the posterior muscle groups, including the shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone. By keeping your shoulders and neck muscles engaged while holding a plank, you can improve your range of motion and flexibility in these areas. Number 7. Better balance and coordination. Planking requires you to engage and stabilize multiple muscle groups simultaneously, which can lead to improved balance and coordination. This is especially beneficial for older adults or anyone who has experienced a decline in balance or coordination due to aging or injury. Number 8. Increased calorie burn. Planking is a low-impact exercise, but it can still help you burn calories and improve your metabolism. By engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, your body works harder and burns more calories than it would during a single muscle exercise. Number 9. Low-impact exercise. Planking is a low-impact exercise that can be done by people of all ages and fitness levels. It puts minimal stress on the joints and can be modified to suit individual needs or limitations. Number 10. Can be done anywhere with no equipment needed. One of the best things about planking is that it requires no equipment and can be done anywhere. All you need is a flat surface and enough room to hold a plank. This makes it a convenient and accessible exercise for people with busy schedules or limited access to gym equipment. Although just planking itself can provide some amazing benefits, there are still 8 key principles that you need to know if you're looking to build a physique that sits in the top 1%, which I reveal in this video here. So check it out if you're looking to take your body to the next level.